Hello, this is Craig. Yeah. How's it going? You got a what? You got a cash leak? Yeah, let me get my tools together. I'll be right there. Hey guys, I'm sorry. I didn't realize I'd started recording. Did y'all catch that? Just got a call that my local Walmart has a cash leak. Gotta make sure I got my tools so we can get on out here and help them fix this problem. If they're leaking cash, somebody needs to catch it. Yeah, I got my tools here. Go ahead and close this up. We're gonna head that way. Hope y'all go with us. See how things go. Hey, this is Craig. Yeah, I'm on the way. I'll be there like 2 seconds. I'm about to pull up in the parking lot. It's getting worse. You're leaking more cash? Wow, we gotta do something about that. I'll get in there as quick as I can. All right, I'll see you in a second. Thanks. Oh, guys, I gotta figure something out. I gotta get better at this editing. It's twice I've recorded a phone call and I didn't realize I was recording it. Y'all need to help me out with that. I need some content creators to help me. For some reason, I start recording on my phone, or get a phone call and didn't know I was recording. Something happened. But I'm gonna get in here and see if I can help these guys. Where it is, this Walmart has a cash leak. There's money leaking off the shelves. Alright, I think I know where it is. There's a special area that always leaks money. There's cash. And it's right down here. Y'all see it? You see it yet? Alright, here's the clearance aisle where we're looking for the leak. Yeah, you guessed it. Cash leaks on the clearance aisle. Who would have thought that? So that's the tip. Get to these stores, there's money to be made. They're leaving money on the shelves. But in order to get that money, you got to go scan stuff. Looks like this one's pretty bare. Good thing about this store is it's got multiple rows. I think there's 3 rows in their main clearance area. Just looking through this stuff, a lot of household bedding type stuff. Going around the corner and see what's around the corner over here in the second row. Toys, a little bit better selection. Start over here on the left and grab these little plush down here on the bottom left. Check one of those out. Go ahead and scan and see what we get. Alright, looks like $7 still at Walmart. Alright, $12.99 at Amazon, but the fees are going to kill you. You end up losing money. Alright, see what else we see. A couple of items. I think I've scanned that Roblox before, didn't have any luck with it. Puzzles weren't any good. I'm going to check this doll stand. It was only $5. Let's go ahead and put it up here, see what we can scan. Alright, $12.92 at Amazon, but fees kill you again. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and see what else we can find. This is a talking taco. It's a small item. Like picking up small items, cheap. Fees are usually less. It's $1.50 at Walmart. Let's go ahead and scan it and see what we can find on Amazon. Alright, looks like it scans for $4.97. It's a high sales rank, nothing to make it pay. Alright, just looking through the shelves again. A lot of small stuff, which I really like I said. Nerf gun was pretty big. No money there, I don't think. We'll check this Funko. Box was in pretty rough shape. I'm going to grab these troll items. There's a good number of them, which is good. They're small. Probably fees wouldn't be too bad. They're only $1. Let's see what they scan for. Let me come up here and see what we can get. Alright, so they scanned for $4.96. I think the fees were going to hurt you on this one. Decent sales rank. No. Alright, I'm gonna grab one of these Fortnite characters, check a couple of them. I know Fortnite stuff usually does well. They're really expensive, $19 and some odd cents, but we're gonna put them up here and scan them and see. Alright, they didn't come up on Amazon, eBay. There weren't any that sold. They were in the $20 range, so just moved on. Alright, let's see what else we can find. A bunch of office supplies. That really catches my eye. Small, not anything. There's something that caught my eye. I don't know if there's any money. Oh, no, I'm sorry. Yeah, gold paper clips. No, no need for gold paper clips. But here's something I'm gonna check. TI-84 Plus SE cover, leopard print. So I'm gonna put this up here and scan it. They're only $3. All right, they scan at $12.50 each at 336 sales rank. So I think I'm gonna go ahead and grab these. Let me see how many is up here on the shelf. I'm gonna need a little bit of cleaning up with the sticker, but they won't be too bad. Hopefully they'll sell as fast as the calculators. Looks like there's 3 of them. So I'm put those in the cart. And help them with that cash leak. Put a hole in it. Put it in my buggy. All right, let's go around the other side. Bunch of fishing stuff. These are kind of neat. I just picked them up and looked at them. There's some sunglasses and fishing stuff that made for kids. Scanned them. Wasn't any more than what they were selling for. Let's see what else we can see over here. This is a set of dart tips, or the feathers or whatever you call it. $2. Go ahead and scan those. Alright, after fees, no luck there. Decided to put those back. See what else is going on right here. It's a neat thing called the vine. I think it's something, hang on a vine. It has something to do with fishing. It's $9, which I'm not sure about it, but I'll go ahead and throw it up there and check it. Let's see what it does. Alright, it's $16.99. Too much money to spend to not make enough money, so I passed on that. Some liquid stuff, fish dye. Not sure what it is. $3.50. I'm gonna go ahead and scan it. All right, it scans at $6.99. I'm gonna have to poly bag it. Probably not enough room for any money, so I put it back. Here's some other fishing stuff. I think it's some kind of cleaner. $1. Let's go ahead and scan it. All right, looks like they scan at $4.99. Not too bad. Doesn't seem like a lot of money, but after fees and everything, $2.16. I think I'll spend $1 to make $1 at least. Probably closer to $1.50. They're small. I can poly bag them easily. I think I'm gonna get them all. Why not? Got those. Let's see what else is going on. I scanned these. They were $1. They were not coming up on eBay or Amazon. No luck there. What else is going on? Filters, all the filters. I don't know what everybody else is finding. The filters, the boxes are in rough shape. I don't know if they've gotten around some oil or something, but I think that's why they're on clearance. Picked up a couple of them and kind of looked down. Most of them were priced $1, but the boxes were in pretty bad shape. Not bad shape, but just covered in some kind of oil. Picked these up. Wasn't sure what they were. They were $4.50. Went ahead and scanned it. Looks like a drain plug, maybe for a boat, or some kind of plug for something. They didn't do very well. So here is my camera work is terrible. First aid water testing kit. And grab those, put them in the buggy. There was somebody else right here close. All right, so $4.50 or $5. I put in $5 cost of purchase to make $9.83. Yeah, I think I'll get those. I think I got 3 of them. I'm going to put those in the buggy as well. So went on down and started hitting the toy aisle. Sorry for the bad camera work. I'll let this roll.
Valencia. Come to Money Center, please. Associate Juanicia. Come to Money Center.
Alright, sorry for the speed walking. I made it over to electronics. I always think this is interesting. This is HP ink. It's got a clearance sticker on it. Still pretty high price. Look at the expiration date, 2016. You think that's bad? Look at some of these other ones. Still $30. What's that date? December 2011. September 2016. What the heck, Walmart? That should have been off the shelf years ago. Just poke around here, see what else. A lot of cases and things. Nothing real value. That was some media player. Alright, so we're going to kind of look over what we got. We got the three cases for the calculators, the water testers, and the fish soap. So we're going to head on out. Go ahead and check out.
Alright guys, I was able to help them with their cash leak a little bit. Didn't get as much, fill the hole in as much as I could. Got a few items. We'll get home and package it up, get it out of here. Hope you all had a good day. Alright, I appreciate everybody watching to this point. I hope everybody's had a great time. We got to the store. They did have a little bit of a cash leak. It wasn't as big as I hoped, but the key is you've got to get to these stores and scan items. You know, they're leaving cash on the shelves, and it's your responsibility to go get it. Some days you don't find anything like yesterday, but there's days that you do pretty well. We didn't make a major score, but we made a few dollars. Weren't in there but about 15, 20, maybe 30 minutes at most, and made a little money. So if you like these kind of videos, go ahead and hit the like button if you don't mind. If you would, share this out so everybody can see it. Hopefully everybody learns that there is money to be made in Walmart. You just got to put in the work. And if you like these, go ahead and hit subscribe and hit that bell notification so you know when new videos come out. Everybody have a good day.